Hello friends, welcome to Saugarnika Store channel. In my earlier video, I had discussed with you about nutmeg plant that produce two different spices from the same plant. This time I am with you to discuss about another well-known evergreen spice plant discovered by Christopher Columbus at Caribbean while searching pepper in his second New World voyage. It was he who took these newly found small berries, which are a bit larger than peppercorns, back to Spain thinking that he found pepper. Soon he realized that what he found was a new spice and not pepper. From then, this newly discovered spice got its Spanish name as pimienta, meaning peppercorn. Since then, allspice became the favorite of Europeans as this unique spice has the combined flavor of cinnamon, nutmeg and clove. As most of the commercial production of allspice comes from Jamaica, allspice also became known as Jamaica pepper. As this video covers all vital details related to growing of allspice plants and its various uses as a spice and as a medicine, see the full video to have all details. Though allspice is the native of Jamaica, it is also grown in West Indian islands including Cuba and Barbados. In India, this spice tree is introduced quite recently. These plants are largely grown in South Indian states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. In northern region, this plant is also found in some parts of Maharashtra. Allspice, botanically known as Pimenta dioica, belongs to Myrtaceae family, is one of the most widely used berry spices in cuisines, dishes, soups and stews. This aromatic spice is also used in different varieties of sweet and savory spiced cakes, cookies, pumpkin pies, sauces, pickles and in Finnish cuisines, mostly by Western countries. Jamaica pepper, Italy pepper, pimento and new spice are some other names of allspice. In India, it is also known by vernacular names such as Gantamenesu and Sarvasugandhi. This sweet-flavored popular spice captured the ancient European markets as they were very largely used in food, precious medicinal preparations, incense, cosmetic items, and for preparation of essential oil for various pharmaceutical uses. Allspice is a spice on its own. This spice can mask the natural odor of meat and fish and give a spicy flavor to minced meat, sauces, soups and other meat and fish dishes. Therefore, this spice is preferred in house kitchens, hotels and restaurants all over the world. The warm and nutty aromatic allspice can altogether change the flavor and taste of both sweet and savory dishes and cuisines. Therefore, this spice is loved by people living at every nook and corners of the world. Allspice is not just another spice that can be used to flavor our food items. Its very rich medicinal properties is said to be helpful for indigestion, emptying of bowels, intestinal gas, abdominal pains, obesity, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, colds, high blood pressure and diabetes. In some regions, people use other aromatic plants like Carolina allspice and Japanese allspice as substitutes for the real allspice. However, report says that no other trees or plants can produce ball-type berries with similar flavor and aroma like allspice. Moderate use of allspice is said to be beneficial and safe for both expectant and lactating mothers, but excess use must be avoided. A study shows that allspice can slow down blood clotting process. As this can create serious problems, especially during surgeries, it is better to discontinue use of this spice totally much before a scheduled surgery to avoid complications. Now, let us understand how this spice plant can be propagated. Allspice plants can be grown from seeds through grafting, air layering and budding methods. Air layering is mostly done in the beginning of winter season when atmospheric temperature is down. For growing plants from seeds, fresh and healthy seeds must be collected from high-yielding trees. To speed up germination process, it is better to soak seeds overnight in fresh cold water before planting them in flower pots or containers filled with mixture, biocompost, manure, sand and cocoa peat. Keep the container in shade and water them regularly to keep soil moist. Germination generally takes 2 weeks time after sowing. Young plants can be transferred to open place when they are about 8 to 9 months old. In allspice, there are male and female plants. Therefore, it would be ideal and beneficial to keep one male plant among other female plants for better pollination and yielding. As I have said earlier, allspice trees are evergreen and they can grow up to a height of about 7 to 8 or 10 meters. These trees generally have slender upright trunk covered by grayish bark. Studies made shows that this evergreen tropical tree enjoys and flourishes well in laterite soils and rich loams with high humus content at about 27 degrees Celsius temperature. Feeding the plants from time to time for proper growth is very important. Filling yard manure prepared by using cow dung, waste straws and dry leaves in shallow pits around the trees can be highly helpful for healthy growth, flowering and fruiting of these trees. Flowering season, these trees bear small aromatic pretty flowers with 4 round petals, which are about 3 to 4 mm long and deciduous. From these little white flowers develop aromatic spicy berries. Male trees also produce fruits, but in very limited numbers. As both male and female trees look similar, identifying them from mere appearance will not be possible till they start flowering and produce yielding. Fruiting of allspice plant depends on many factors like quality of seeds, type of soil, rain, feeding, moisture, water availability and climatic conditions. If the conditions are favorable, a clonally propagated plant starts flowering in 3 years, whereas seed propagated trees take about 5 to 6 years time. A healthy tree can produce about 20 to 25 kilograms of fruits every year. Green fruits look like small berries. These spicy, unripe fruits are harvested when they are fully grown. These harvested fruits are then spread out to dry under sunlight for about a week or 10 days time. Nowadays, these are also dried with the help of modern machines. Well-dried berries become very crisp and may have a metallic sound when shaken. These seeds contain egenol, which is used as a flavoring agent for food items and as a herbal oil for preparation of medicines. The warm spicy aroma of allspice essential oil is similar to that of clove and cinnamon essential oils. When allspice essential oil is added to massage oils and baths, it can promote blood circulation and relieve muscle cramps and muscle strains. Allspice extract is also used to get relief from neuralgic pains. After harvesting, allspice berries are stored in a clean, dry place. Storage of allspice berries is not a problem as they don't need to freeze or refrigerate. Well-dried spice balls stay fresh for longer periods in airtight containers if they are kept away from direct sunlight. However, the ground spice stored for well longer periods can lose its flavor. Now about the enemies of this most useful plant. Allspice plants are exception from other plants as they are generally not affected by insects or pests. The main reason for this is that the egenol compound present in allspice plants can dispel insects to a great extent. However, there are flower beetles, scale insects and almond moths that can adversely affect the plants and yields. Therefore, care must be taken to protect these lovely plants from harmful pests and diseases. Use of effective and recommended insecticides and regular observation of trees can save these plants from the attack of enemies. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. We at Saugarnika Store Home Garden grow rare and exotic plants. I will be back with details of another plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.